Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Hi, my name is Celine. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Please don't forget to subscribe before you leave. I would greatly appreciate it. It's the red button down here. It's free. They won't charge you. Just click it and you'd be subscribed. And also please don't forget to hit the bell button just beside the subscribe so you can always get notifications on whenever I post up videos. So anyways, today I'm going to be doing the Google Does My Makeup challenge, which was created by Nikkie tutorials. She actually did the challenge sometime this week, so I watched it on her channel. I was like, this sounds interesting, let me do it. So anyways, basically you just go to Google, then you type in the first letter of your name and the first letter of your surname. So my name being Celine and my surname being Okereke, so I use C-O. So like you're seeing right now, I use C-O, then after that give a space and you put look, L-O-O-K. So you're actually seeing that right now. So this was what I did on my phone. And when you go to images under the Google search, the first picture that comes or pops up with this search is what you're going to create. So this was the picture that came up with the search. It's a look magazine cover, which has I think this is Cara Delevingne. Am I right? Yes. So yeah, that is the look. Well, basically I'm supposed to draw my inspiration from this magazine cover. So there ain't not much colors in it. Like there's a fuchsia pink, there's gray, which is the full cover color, then the color of her dress, which is like white, black, and kind of like a reddish brown. So I'm actually going to draw my color inspiration from the color of her dress and the fuchsia pink that is in the magazine color. So anyways, let's jump right into this tutorial. Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing? I hope you guys are good. Anyways, let's jump right into the tutorial. So my cornrows are back, meaning I'm going to be wearing a wig today. But anyways, first off, I've primed my eyes with my Zaron's concealer in Deep, and I have set that concealer with my Airspun Cutty powder. Once I'm done setting that concealer, I'm going into my first shade, which is my Star Crushed Mineral Pigment in Virtuous. I'm just going to apply that as my crease color. Then going into the reddish brown shade from this Fall in Love eyeshadow palette from Barry M, I'm going to further deepen that pink, especially my crease line. So once I'm done with that, I'm going to cut my crease, and yeah, once I finish cutting my crease, I'm going to also tap and set that with some Airspun Cutty powder. So now once I'm done setting that concealer, I'm going into my first shade, which is just two gray shades from my BH Cosmetics 120 First Edition palette. I'm just going to apply that on the outer portions of my eyelid. Then once I'm done applying that gray eyeshadow, I'm going into this like maroon or brick red color from that Fall in Love palette, and I'm just going to apply that on the outer V of my eyelids, making sure I blend the two shadows into each other properly. So I'm taking a darker or the darkest color from that Fall in Love palette, and I'm just applying that on the extreme outer corners of my outer V, just to deepen the outer corners of my V a lot more. So once I'm done with that, it's time for eyeliner. I'm going to be doing a very graphic eyeliner today. So if you see what I'm doing, I'm just going to leave a space. In that space, I'm just going to apply some white face paint. So the white face paint I'm using is my Snazaro face paint. So it's just this is kind of to represent the patterns on the dress.
That one for me. Now you be the only one I see.
So guys, these are what the eyes look like. I hope I made a good representation of the picture. Anyways, onto the face now. I'm just going to apply my primer, which is the PS Stay All Day primer. I'm applying that on major places: forehead, T-zone, chin. Then for my foundation, I'm going into my Revlon Color Stay foundation in the shade Mahogany. Just going to apply that all over my face, and then further blend that with my Nuban Beauty blender. once I'm done blending out that foundation, I'm just going to conceal my under eye with my Zaron Cosmetics concealer in deep, and I'm mixing deep and light together.
Puffing on me high grade, sipping on me liquor. Girls them a come, them a want, them a take her. Bad man, me a coming, me a wanna take her. Girls them a come, them a want it on the nigga. I steady say.
So to set my under eye, I'm going into my Black Opal Deluxe Finishing Powder in neutral light. So once I'm done, I'm going to set under my eye, reverse contour, my nose, also the sides of my nose. So once I'm done setting, a little dance break. So once I'm done setting that, I'm just going to dust off all that powder with my MAC Studio Fix in NC46. Dust off all that powder and then set the rest of my face. To contour, I'm using my Black Opal Puff Perfecting Foundation, which is in the shade Ebony Brown. Like, I really love this foundation, especially as a contour. It's so dark and rich, and I don't even need to set it. I can just, blend it out, and it's so blendable. So I'm just going to use that to contour and then spread it out a bit more. Once I'm done contouring my face, I'm just going to take away all that powderiness by using my Nuban Beauty setting spray to set the rest of my face.
Say she give me in a eye. Man a wine, say she give me dirty wine. Man a grind, say she give me dirty wine. Say.
So now we're going to jump back into the eyes. To finish up the eyes, I'm just going to use my gel liner, my BH Cosmetics Oinks gel liner to line my waterline. And I'm also going to create like a graphic wing or a graphic looking cat's eye with the black and the white, as you can see there. So once I'm done, I'm just going to buff out that black with this dark eyeshadow from that Fall in Love palette and mixing it with a little of that reddish brown just to smoke out the lower lash line.
Special one for me. Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere I go, I wanna be. Girl, you feel like my best.
So now for highlight, I'm going to be going into my Sonia Kashuk highlighter in Goddess. I'm just going to highlight the usual places: cheekbones, bridge of my nose, Cupid's bow, chin, and a little bit on the lower part of my forehead. Once I'm done highlighting my face, I changed my top and popped on my wig. I was going for a straight look today. So now I'm just going to go into the lips. For my lips, we're playing on that fuchsia color which was on the magazine cover. So my lips are going to be pink today, fuchsia pink today. So I'm going into this Sleek's Makeup liquid lipstick in Fandango Purple. Then to top that off, I'm just going to apply Nuban Beauty's Pro Matte lipstick in the shade Voodoo. And that is my look for today. That is my recreation of what Google picked for me as my makeup look today. I hope you guys like it. I hope I gave a good representation of what Google picked for me. And yeah, if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to share this video, and also if you're new, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button to always get notifications on whenever I post up videos. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. I love you guys, and I will see you all in my next video. Stay blessed and stay beautiful. Bye.